Hi students, how are you? This is Shashank sir going to discuss about computer subject for class 8 on the topic of network topology. In this content, we will discuss about what is network topology, types of network topology with live example, advantages and disadvantages of network topology. So let us discuss about topology. Topology defines the structure how devices are connected to the network. Topologies can be physical or logical. Physical topology refers to the actual structure of the network. Logical topology defines the way in which data actually passes through the network from one device to another. Now, let us discuss about types of topology. Here, single node topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. Now, let us discuss about single node topology. In single node topology, a single network includes a single device which is connected to the server. If a node does not contain files and information needed for operation, it is known as dumb terminal. This is dumb terminal, as you see in the video. Now, advantages of node topology, single node topology. It is easy to install, configure and manage, least expensive as a dumb terminal is the cheapest computer, single cable is required. Now the disadvantages of single node topology. Only a single device is connected in the entire network. And dumb terminal is dependent on the server for resources. Now let us discuss about second topology, that is bus topology. In a bus topology, device shares a common backbone cable to send and receive data. Bus topology uses a daisy chain scheme to add more devices in a network. In a daisy chain scheme, device 1 is connected to device 2, device 2 is connected to device 3, the first and last device are connected to 50 OSM terminator resistor. Okay, as you see in the figure. Now, the advantages of bus topology. It is easy to connect device in linear bus, requires less cable, less expensive than other topologies, works better for smaller networks. Now the disadvantages of bus topology. Entire network gets affected if there is a break in the main cable, as you see in the figure. It is difficult to detect the faulty device. Limited number of devices can be attached. Heavy traffic makes the network slow. Expensive than single node topology. Now, let us discuss about ring topology. In a ring topology, each device is connected to an adjacent device forming a circle. As you see in a figure, data flows in only one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. See the figure, see clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of the topology. If the data flow from both directions, we call it partial ring topology. If data flow in both directions, we call it partial ring topology. Each device in the ring topology acts as a repeater. It amplifies the signal transmission and transmits it to the next device. If device 1 wants to transmit data to device 3, data must be traveled from data 1 through device 2 and then it is destination at device 3. See how the ring topology forms in the figure. Now, the ring topology's advantages. It is easier to manage as compared to burst topology. Handles large volume of traffic. Provides a good communication over a long distance. Now the disadvantages of ring topology. More cable required compared to burst topology. One faulty device affects the entire network. Addition and changes of devices can affect the entire network. As you can see, now we move to star topology. In star topology, multiple devices are connected to a central connection point known as hub or switch. As you see in a figure, this is a hub. Now, the advantages of star topology. It is easy to install, configure and manage, easy to detect faulty device, easier to expand. Connecting or removing device does not affect the entire network. Now the disadvantages of star topology: requires more cables. If the centralized device, hub or switch fails, entire network will get affected. See, this is the router, and it is the disadvantages is more expensive also. Now the mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is connected to each other. There are two types of mesh topology: full mesh and partial mesh. In full mesh topology, each device is directly connected to each other. As you see in a figure, see the red line. It is a full mesh. It is a full mesh topology. In partial mesh topology, all devices are connected to few devices in a network. See, you can see the computers are connected in a partial form. So this is a partial network.